This is AS Stats. We're on Unit 4 Probability, and we're looking then at 4.8 tree diagrams. When you're dealing with the probability of 2 or more events, you need ways of displaying all possible events. A good way to do this is to use a tree diagram. Tip: multiply along the branches and add between the branches. We'll show what that means in just a wee second. Example 5. Consider a bag that contains 5 green and 3 yellow beads. A bead is selected random from the bag and then put back. A second bead is then selected. This is an example of sampling with replacement. By drawing a tree diagram, find the probability that both beads are green, both beads are different colours. So let's set this up. Hopefully we can get sorted. So we have 5 green and we have 3 yellow. The bit that confuses people sometimes is what way you'd actually set it up. You get it set up. So I'm setting up that this is the first one taken out, and then this is the second bead that's been taken out. So we can either take out a green or we can take out a yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. You start from here, you work to the end of the branch. You can end in one of 4 places, and there's 4 different options for this. That's how it works out. This is 5/8. This is 3/8, 5/8, 3/8. These probabilities would change from these ones if it wasn't replaced, but it is obviously 5/8 and 3/8. And the wee tip said multiply along the branches. So we're going to multiply this by this, and it gives us 25 over 64, 5, 3, 15 over 64, 3, 5, 15 over 64, and then 9 over 64. It also said to notice something: 25 plus 15 plus 15 plus 9, of course, gives 64. It says this right down at the bottom here. It says notice all possible outcomes add to 1. This is because these 4 outcomes are exhaustive. They cover all the possible outcomes. Yeah, there's no other option if you're picking out one of each. Let's take a wee look then at the answers to our questions. Both beads are green, so that's the probability then of a green and a green. Green and green, which is 25 out of 64. The probability that they are different colours, so that would be the probability that it's green and then yellow, or the probability that it's yellow and then green. Green then yellow is 15 over 64 plus yellow and green is 15 over 64. That gives me 30 over 64, which gives me then 15 over 32.